how to use Notification Center on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, to access your notifications, you have to swipe down from the top left, and here you'll be able to see your notifications. Now, if you want to remove a notification, then you can just swipe left and you can just go on and then it will be cleared. Some notifications are stacked in a list. Now, if you want to open the list, you just have to tap on the first one and then you can see the list opens up. Now, if you want to clear all the notification at once, you can see a cross icon. You just have to tap on the cross icon and then tap on clear. And there you go, all the notifications have been cleared. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.